Hi everyone. So today in this lesson, we're going to learn about how to use your camera when you are taking pictures in a place that's dark, that doesn't have too much light. It could be in the evening, or it's very cloudy, or you're in the bush, and there isn't a whole lot of sunlight falling on the things you're taking a picture of. So I'm going to show you what to do on the camera. And I'm going to use both the Canon and the Nikon cameras. Some of you have the Canon cameras and some of you have the Nikons. So firstly, I'll go with the Canons. So the very first thing you can try if you're taking pictures of something that's near you, like a leaf or a frond, is you're taking pictures in the P mode on the camera. Remember, that's the default mode that you take pictures in. So the first thing you can do is you can turn the flash back up. So you can just, this is how it goes down, and you can just pull it up like that. And then you can take pictures normally. The flash should come on, and yep, and so you've got a lot more light going on the subject. Now, sometimes you might not like to have the flash because it creates a very different kind of lighting. So the second option is something different and special. So we're going to put the camera on the TV mode. So it's right next to the P mode. So put the camera on the TV mode. And then back here, you'll see a number here. This is called the shutter speed. So using this dial here next to the shutter release button, you turn this dial like that. We're going to change it to 1/100, which is 1/100th of a second. All right, so we want to have a fast enough shutter speed. So if it's dark and there isn't too much light, and even if our hand shakes a little bit, we still get a sharp picture. And then we can do some more correction in Lightroom. So put it in TV mode and then set that shutter speed to 1/100. And then you can just take a picture like you normally do. Okay, so that's the second option. And remember that once you're done taking pictures in the low light mode, you go back to the P mode. Now I'll show you both the methods on the Nikon camera as well. So on the Nikon camera, if you have the Nikon, there is a button here to open the flash right here. So you can get the flash going. So that's option number one. Is like, okay, it's quite dark. This leaf doesn't have too much light. I'm just going to use the flash. Okay. So that's option number one on a Nikon. The second option, if you don't like the flash, is you're going to turn the camera to the S mode. So again, it's right next to the P mode. It's the S mode, which is the same as the TV mode on the Canon camera. And then using this dial here, this one here, yeah, you're going to set the number on the leftmost side, which is also the shutter speed. You're going to set that to 1/100. Okay, so that's again 1/100th of a second. So we want a fast enough shutter speed. So again, we are not using the flash in this method. So we're just going to use the camera like normally. Again, it's dark and we have a 1/100th of a shutter speed. And then we take a picture like that. Okay, so that's how you do it on the Nikon camera. So try this out if you're taking pictures in the bush or you're taking pictures late in the evening and you want to have a very sharp picture and you don't want your hand shaking to make the image blurry. Okay,